everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a realistic eye, and this is a step by step tutorial, so you can follow my steps to make a realistic good eye. So our first step is make a good outline. You can draw a rough sketch, and you can follow my steps. So here is a tip for you guys. Don't apply pressure on your pencil, or else it will damage your paper or your sheet in which you are going to draw. Now you can slowly make the outline. Just slowly put the strokes. You can see that I am drawing the eyeball part and I am leaving some space on the upper part. Similarly, you can draw the other parts of the eyes too. You can lightly draw the other parts. You can put the strokes while drawing the eyelashes, and don't put too much distance in between. The eyelashes part are not too straight, they are quite curvy, so draw it carefully, so give it a realistic look. So here our basic outlining part is complete. Now we'll move to the step number 2, which is darkening the outline part. So we will take a darker shade. Here I'm using 4B pencil. As I have said earlier also, don't put too much pressure on the sheet or else it will damage the texture of the sheet. So shade it carefully and very lightly. You can follow my steps. You can observe the parts I am darkening here, and you can apply on your sketch too. Shade the eyeball part very carefully, and I think it is the most important feature of eye to give it a realistic look. So here I am darkening the part, the middle part of the eye. You can dark it completely. And many of you think that advanced tools is all you need to draw a realistic sketch, but it is not true. You can make a realistic sketch by using some simple tools also, and skills is what really matters, and practice will definitely improve your skills. And the most important thing is don't get upset if you don't get good result in your first attempt. It definitely takes a lot of hard work, and you need to improve your skills, and then you will definitely get some really good results. So just try it every day and try to draw every day. Just draw anything that you want, anything that you like, but draw every day. Now I am shading the eyeball part and make it dark. It is very important to make it look like it is reflecting the light. So slowly put the strokes on it. You can follow my step to make it look like a realistic eyeball. Follow my each and every step and dark the areas which I am darking here. Just observe it very carefully. Now you have to dark the lower part of the eye and the eyelash. So here in the eyelashes part I am putting the strokes. You can also put the strokes very slowly and very nicely. Don't easily get fed up. Sketching is a time taking process, and but at the end it will definitely give you good result, and it always worth your time. Just follow my steps very carefully and observe the sketch very nicely to make it look realistic. Now we have almost completed the step number 2, and now we will move to the step number 3, which is completing and finishing the whole eye part and make it look even more realistic. So let's move to step number 3. So now after shading the eye, I'll use the paper stump to blend it, and after blending it will look very smooth and very nice. You can see that. Don't apply too much pressure while using the paper stump, or it will give you some patches and it will not work in your favor. So as I've completed the blending part, now I'll dark the areas, and for that you can choose the darkest pencil you have. You can use 8B or 10B. It's really very important to opt the correct value to make your sketch look very realistic. To make your sketch more pop out, you really need to opt the correct values, like you need to observe your source image very carefully, which part has highlight, which part is dark, and you need to opt those shades. And guys, you can see that after darkening the areas, the eyes is looking very pop out and looking very realistic. And if you are beginner, outline pencil is good to go. Its 10B shade is very dark and very good. I use it in many of my drawings. And right now I am using BNO pencil. You can find it in Amazon or Flipkart. And for highlighting purpose, I am using Tombow Mono Zero eraser. And if you are a beginner, you can also use a correction pen, or which is also known as whitener. You can use that also. It is easily available in any stationery shop. You can find it anywhere. Now for making it look more pop out, I am applying another layer on the eyeball part. You can use any dark pencil, any darker shade that you have, for applying the second or third layer. So you can see that as we are applying more layers, our eye is becoming more realistic and looking more pop out. So similarly, you can apply layers on different part of the eye. Observe your source image very carefully and then apply the shades and opt the correct value. It is very important. Here I am using 4B pencil, and if you sharp any pencil like a 4B or 5B, it will definitely give you dark result. Guys, if you want to improve your skills, you need to practice like this: a separate practice for eye sketching, ear sketching, lip sketching. And one more tip for you guys: try to get as clear pic as possible, because if your reference image is not clear, you won't be able to observe your image very carefully, and then you won't be able to make realistic sketch. So here I am applying highlights, and I am using Tombow Mono Zero eraser. So now I am applying the final layer and finishing part. I'm doing the finishing part. After applying the final layer, I will observe the sketch carefully and I'll see that every part is completed or not. It is a good practice to always observe your sketch. And if you like this video, then please do subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you want any tutorial. Thank you guys. Stay safe. Bye.